Hey guys, this is Will here at Cross Jeep in Louisville, Kentucky. Thought I'll give you a little behind the scenes on what all is happening here at Cross Jeep. A lot of fun and exciting things. We'll start over here with this Mojito Gladiator Rubicon. We're doing a pretty unique build on it. It's going to get a AEV 2-inch spacer kit lift. We're also going to be putting it on 40-inch tires with some KMC beadlock wheels. And I'll kind of show you a little sneak peek on those wheels here in a minute. But you know what's really cool about these inner fender chop, and this one's already been done, is if you ever wonder how it is performed, the fenders are stock, but what they do is they remove all the plastic from inside of the fender, and that's just going to allow a greater amount of clearance. So you can kind of see on this one hasn't been done yet. So it still has all the plastic inside, but what they do is remove this plastic shroud. They carve all of this out. And it ends up kind of looking like this. I believe this might be a rear. But yeah, you completely remove all the plastic, and that just gives you a heck of a lot more clearance for larger tires. And then I believe we're also gonna be moving this front axle forward, I want to say like an inch or two, and that's also going to help with clearance, because if you don't do that, you're just going to rub when turning those tires. But yeah, pretty awesome build going on. Then we got our Hellcat Gladiator swap, doing a few conversions on it. Got your heavy duty axles, 8 lug, got your PSC steering stabilizer, got your Falcon shocks, adjustable as well. Got some Terraflex front and rear suspension components. Got your Terraflex springs. Got a speed bump stop. This one, you can also see what that's a stock fender before the fender chop. And then here's what a fender chop looks like after it's been completed. And we're also replacing the front and rear bumper. So this one has already been cut, but Rick, he had to cut this section out on the bed, and then we're putting a Moto built Tomahawk rear bumper. As I walk around here, we'll walk over and I'll show you the rear bumper that'll be installed on the Hellcat Gladiator, and I'll also show you the KMC wheels going on the Mojito build. But here's that rear bumper. Bare metal for now, but we're sending it off to get powder coated. I believe we're doing like a kind of like a satin black. And then here's those KMC wheels that are going on the Mojito build. Here's our protection ring, nice and shiny. Another little sneak peek is we got some KMC, 1552 wheels with some 37-inch tires wrapped around them, for another build that is not in the shop currently, but waiting on some other parts to get that one all finished up. But yeah, we got a lot of fun and interesting things happening here at Cross Jeep, and I mean, it never ends, you guys. Constantly doing some really unique builds here. This one I cannot wait to see, especially with those the black faced wheels with the, I guess, polished beauty ring or protection ring. But yeah, appreciate you guys watching this little behind the scenes shop walk. Be sure to like and subscribe, you guys. Comment down below, which one are you most excited to see, the Mojito or the Hellcat Gladiator? Other than that, you guys, appreciate y'all watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more content, and y'all have a great day.